Oh my God. I was shopping on Jamaica Avenue in the store when all of a sudden the ground opened up in the store, the floor opened up, and I fell into the hole.
Damn! Put your glasses back on.
That leads downstairs, and my entire right leg is damaged, and I'd like you to be aware of it.
Okay. Are you stuck in the hole?
I was stuck in the hole, and then they took the door and slammed down on my feet some more. Now I'm on the ground. I don't know how badly hurt I am because I've. Pardon me?
What is the address?
We need the address. 13801 Jamaica Avenue. 148 Jamaica Avenue. What?
14801 Jamaica.
14801 Jamaica Avenue.
What two streets are you between?
It's at the corner.
At the corner.
14801 Jamaica Avenue?
Yeah, right now my body is just going into a shiver. Pardon me?
What's the first street there?
I know what's wrong with me. My body is starting to tremble a lot, so I don't know what's going on with me, and I'm feeling very dizzy.
You for the cross street for your address.
Ma'am, I'm not from here. I don't know no cross street.
Wait
on it.
I'm gonna take the socks off.
Oh my God.
So this is the only place to turn it, right?
The whole
You
thing.
just gotta.
I knew. I felt the blood.
What's going on?
Sir, I was in the store and they had a trap door. And somebody from downstairs opened the trap door and let me land from upstairs to downstairs half of my body. Released the trap door and the trap door released on me.
So were you saying they tried to trap you?
That I as a customer don't know that is there. No, I didn't fall. They opened the trap door. Somebody went downstairs and they were coming back upstairs.
Okay.
But me as a customer don't know that there's a door there.
Yeah.
So I'm just walking and shopping, and then the door just opened out of nowhere and sent me through to the first.